Materials for this look down below. Draw 2 card-sized squares on your paper, use a pencil. Then draw 0.5 centimeter in to make an edge inside the card. Draw in an easy leaf and a flower. Then write in a quote you might like on both cards. I use some round circle stencils to make 3 circles on each card. Then I paint the leaf and flower. I only use 2 colors for each card to make it really simple. Then I draw around the leaf with a black Posca pen, very simple and loose, and I also write in the text. Do the same on the flower. Then I take a ruler and draw the lines inside the card. And I cut the cards out, and there you go, you have 2 beautiful, nice cards.